If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing course on Coursera, this video covers the top 3 options based on content quality, ratings, popularity, and practical value. Before we begin, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months. Coming in at number 3 is Simply Learn's affiliate marketing course. This beginner-friendly course has a 4.1 out of 5 rating. It covers email marketing, product promotion, content marketing, web analytics, and online advertising. It's a solid choice if you want a quick introduction to affiliate marketing fundamentals. At number 2 is Alex Genedinik's Affiliate Marketing for Passive Income, 2026. This specialization has a 4.7 out of 5 rating. You'll learn SEO, content marketing, email automation, Google Ads, AI tools, and strategies for building long-term affiliate income. It's designed for beginners but goes much deeper than a typical introductory course. Taking the number 1 spot is 2026 Beginner Affiliate Marketing, Start Earning on Day 1 by Alex Genedinik. This course focuses on the skills every affiliate marketer needs. You'll learn search engine optimization, content optimization, social media marketing, PPC advertising, web analytics, lead generation, and product promotion. It's one of the best starting points for anyone who wants to build an affiliate marketing business. Here's something many learners don't realize. Affiliate marketing isn't just about sharing links. You also need skills like SEO, content creation, email marketing, and digital marketing. Buying separate courses for each topic can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus offers much better value. You get unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from leading universities and industry experts. For a limited time, you can also get 40% off your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. That brings the price down to just $35.40 per month instead of the regular $59, and check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.